What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna talk about this fire pit here from EcoFuego. It's basically a ceramic fire pit. This one's brown. They come in like a darker wood color as well, wood texture. But it's a reusable fuel that you put into the fire pit that will last up to 8 hours. And so I want to show you what these look like. So this is a refill pack. This box here contains 2 of them, but when you buy the fire pit, it comes with one that you can use. It's basically ready to use. So I just did an unboxing, but this is basically the packaging that you get from them. So I guess I could undo it just to show you guys. But it's like a big block of wax, sort of. I guess I could have just did this too. What is this? So extra lighter pads. Oh, this is like kindling that you can just put on top of it to help light the fire. I had a torch, so that was easy to do enough. But it's nice that it comes with this. This is the wrapping here. So you basically just unwrap it. Or you could probably just put this in. This looks like it would probably burn naturally, but I'll just unwrap it so you can see what it looks like. And my guess is because it is wrapped so nice that you would probably just insert this whole thing in there and do it, but I'll just unwrap it just to show you what it looks like, what the contents are. So, it's like this wax block right here. And you basically just light this right here. I guess you would put that kindling in here and just light it, and this would light like a candle, and it would basically just continue to burn all night long. So this is what it looks like right here, and you would just drop this into the insert right in there, and you can reuse it too, because this cardboard is kind of like a wick. It goes all the way down, so you know, whatever you don't use, you could put it out and then you could reuse it later on. So that's what that looks like. And you probably would just put this whole thing in. I didn't read the directions, but it does have that waxy kind of feeling to it, like melted crayon or something. So my suggestion in the future, you know, as I use these, would be to just drop this insert straight into the fire pit so that the paper would burn with it. But a really neat concept and a good story behind the brand. So 2 refills right here, last 8 hours each cartridge. And again, this one came with it, and it's not too heavy. You can move it around, and it's smokeless, so you don't get that smoke or the you know, the wood burning smell, you know, that always comes to you, and it feels warm. I think it's a really good alternative to a propane fire pit, because it would just be this unit right here versus carrying propane, you know, and burning through it, you know, throughout the night. So this is so far so good, and I think we'll use it tonight. Thank you.